right there. That's what I listen in the morning. It's a good morning. Listen to the birds. From the trees nearby. And there is one here. Right there. I cannot go close so that I don't interfere with it. Singing. This is what I miss. It's right there, but I cannot, my camera cannot capture. Just on the wall, I can feel that bird. You can listen to it. Oka Studio, Oka Studio, Oka Studio, Oka Studio, Oka Studio. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Oka Studio. The other one is just singing Oka Studio, Oka Studio. The other one is as if he's calling Jumpy, 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 Oka Studio, Jumpy, Jumpy, Kule, Kule, Kule. I can't stay here for long enjoying just the birds singing in the morning. Good morning. Have a good day. Let me go look for tea. It's very cold here as these guys sing. I think I'll be recording for you as from today. Their song is very enjoyable in the morning. Oka Studio, jumping, jumping, jumping. The other one is just singing, jumping, jumping, jumping. Let me go look for breakfast. Good morning.